Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the next video on my platform. My name is Saurabh Bharati, Microsoft Dynamics 365 professional. After a long time, I'm recording a video, a blog for my YouTube channel. And this time we are going to talk about a next part on our Copilot and Agent series. And this is very important topic which we are going to talk today is about the evaluation feature which we have in the Copilot Studio. So let's get into this and see what exactly the evaluation is when we build agents. So quick disclaimer that anything said and shown in this video is my own personal view. This has nothing to do with my employer or any other entity out there. So first, let's talk about agent evaluation in Copilot Studio is a critical component to ensure that the AI-driven agents deliver the reliable, accurate, and user-friendly interaction. And this presentation introduces the concept of agent evaluation and its role in analytics and how it supports the better agent performance. By leveraging evaluation tools, you and your organization can monitor, measure, and improve the quality or responses generated by the AI agents. And then also you can have the continuous feedback loop. So structure evaluations create a feedback loop, drive continuous improvement, compliance, and the governance. So if I summarize, the evaluation in the AI agentic era are the new way of testing your AI agent. Like how we do in any ERP implementation, we do the lot of test cases, test script. Similarly, for testing out our agents, whether they are giving the proper response, what is required as per our design or as per the user requirement, how do you evaluate that is done through the evaluation in the Copilot Studio for the agents. Now, if you talk about why agent evaluation matter, because it ensures the quality and the reliability, the performance improvement, the compliance and governance, and the most importantly, it is about building the user trust on the AI agent. Now, if you talk about the Copilot Studio offers a robust set of capabilities for agent evaluation. I'm not sure how many of you have observed that. And these include different evaluation types such as automated and manual assessment, allowing flexibility based on the project needs. Automated evaluations use the predefined criteria and the algorithm to quickly assess the performance, while the manual evaluation involves the human reviewer for the nuances, judgment. Key metrics include accuracy, the relevance, and the completeness, which measure how well the agent responds to the user query. Data sources for the evaluations typically includes the real conversation log, the test scenarios, the ensuring that the assessment reflects both actual usage and the conditions. How does the evaluation works if you want to do it for any of the agent you are building? It is through first step is to creating evaluation, define the scope and objective, set of foundation for a thorough agent assessment, establishing the criteria, the metrics, and then the execution of the test using the real or the simulated interaction to collect meaningful performance data, and then analyzing and optimizing. And what are the benefits you get out of it? So you get a continuous improvement, scalable testing, and valuable developer insight and improved user experience. Now with that, let's get into the demo and look at our Copilot Studio, what we have as part of the evaluation feature, which we have. We will do it a demo and then see how it works. Now, in this demo, what I'm doing is, if you are familiar with my blog series, in this series, I created one custom agent, which is a chart of account agent. So what we will do is we will try to create evaluation for this agent. So if you navigate to your any of the agent, you will find a tab here which is evaluation, and here you will find the option to create the test. If you want to know the more detail about the official document, you can just click here, and then you will reach to this standard doc which is available, and it shows you the complete explanation that how do you create auto generate the test cases for your agents. Now let's start doing this. So what I'll do is that I'll click on the create test here. Now you can create using multiple options. You can manually add, you can use your chat, test chat conversation while you are developing the agent, right? You do the testing. So you can use that as a source. You can drag through a CSV file, you can browse, or the most efficient way for is to start with to generate the 10 questions using the AI itself within the tool for your evaluation of this particular agent. So let's do that. I'm going to use this option, and then I'm clicking on this, and now it is going to generate all the test cases which it thinks that it is based on the description of this agent, based on the instructions I have provided. It has created all those 10 questions, or you can say the test cases. Now you can again click on generate 10 more questions here, or you can click on the add case manually, and then you can start putting here the question, the similarity, the text match, and then also you have an option of like what is that general quality or comparing meaning, and then you can apply, and then this is going to be available as one of the tests for you in this specific agent here. Now, one of the thing to like how you do the test cases, you have a test plan, and then you create the test cases. Similarly, in the Copilot Studio Evals, when you create the list of test cases, they are created under the test set. And you can give the name of that test set, which you can say it's a test plan. And then you need to manage the profile and select the user based on which you want to run these test cases. So here I have selected my account here, admin account, for these test cases to be generated. So now the next step is to run these test cases, and how we run is that you have the test set here where these 10 are associated. What we will do, we will just click on the evaluate, and it is going to evaluate and run for all these test questions which are there. So if you see there is a test set name, it is having the pass rate, the questions, and then it is evaluation is running. So we will wait for some time to get this executed and see the results here. Okay, so finally it has completed, and if you see it is showing the pass rate as 90%. So if you want to know a detail about this, so we can just check it out. Here, if you see, it is showing us all the details about which questions has got passed and which got failed. This might not be, let's say, the correct, but always you can create your own test case, and you can always go into the detail. Like if you click on this, I asked, let's say the agent automatically asked that, can you help me for updating the description for the existing, and it provided this specific response. And if you think it is correct, then this is going to be a test case passed for you. So that's it for this specific video. That's what I wanted to cover today, the out-of-the-box Copilot Studio evaluation, which are very important for us to have a quality agent build, and the evaluations are going to play a very critical role in this process. So thank you for watching this video. If you have more any feedback, please do comment and share, subscribe with your colleagues and your network. Thank you so much.